So, students, welcome to TutoBytes tracker tool, and you need to just type in tracker.tutobytes.com and you can find this page, and you need to give your user ID and password here to log in. So as soon as you log in, you can see the screen like this, and this is here you can see your course and the exam performance and the WoW performance you can see here. So it's called as a dashboard. So in this dashboard you can find your user details and all here, and here you can see in the exam total how many what are the subjects, maths and science, and total and attempted. So the how many exams you attempted and how many were absent and pending for submission. So it is not applicable for exam, but WoW, when it comes, what is meant by WoW? It's a world of worksheets. So whatever the worksheet we will give, we can see in the dashboard. See here, science, there is one total number of worksheets given is 1, and absent or pending. Pending means it's maybe it's uploaded and you need to submit it. Number of attempts is 0, and yeah, it is the overall submissions. You can see the dashboard. Now come back to here, and I am just very quickly I will introduce the other tabs. All are very implicit meanings. You can understand very well. So this talks about syllabus. So what is the course that you are in, you can see here, and you can select the syllabus and science or subject, whatever it is, you can see the syllabus. So first week there is a concept of food we are discussing, and percentage of completion 0. Actually we are supposed to update this 10% it should be. So because one class is over out of 3 classes, so 33% will be done. So first week it's a basic concepts. We will see how we are going to update it. Don't worry about that. So the second thing is class update. Class update is every day what we taught that you can see in the class update. Of course, as this course is a very fresh course and today only it's kick started, so I wanted to just show you how it looks like. So once if you find any daily assignment, daily update, and you can see what we taught in the class and what are the assignment given and all, you can see here in between this table. This is a table. Actually there is no entry, that's where it was showing like this. Come back to the exam and TBWoW. Before I am going there, let me talk about attendance. It's also very implicit meaning. You can track your attendance, how many classes conducted and how many you attended, how many you were absent and all. Right now the data is not available. As I mentioned, it's a very fresh course, so you can track all these things. Now coming back to the exam and TBWoW. See, these two things are two different entities, but it works the same according to the tracker. So the way, the mechanism, the way we are uploading. See, when it comes to the TBWoW, it is a world of worksheets. That means your daily assignments will be given here in the TBWoW. As soon as we upload, we are going to send a message in the group. Okay, now come back to the exam. Whenever we declare exam, by the particular time, the exam will be pushed to the tracker, and you can access the question paper, and you can submit your answer sheet. You can view your results. Everything will be done by the TB tracker here with online exam and exam marks. Online exam is the one place where you are going to find the exam question paper, and it exactly works the same way as the TBWoW. So I'm going to demo the TBWoW. You can see the same functionality in the exam also. Same thing, like you are going to select the course, you are going to select the subject. Today there is no exam, that's where it is empty. Okay, but you have a worksheet. One worksheet is there. If there is an exam, how it looks like, I will show you with the help of the TBWoW. Okay, so TBWoW contains 3 line items here. One is online TBWoW, another one is TBWoW re-upload. Suppose if the teacher felt that it was not correct and you need to resubmit it because you are not done well and there are some corrections are required definitely, and you should push it back, then we are going to, then you can use this button to upload. I'll show you how it is. TBWoW is the one which you already submitted. You can browse through any point in time. So online TBWoW is the daily submission menu item, that where you should come over here and you should select B2B your course, and today there is a science worksheet got pushed, so you can see now that worksheet here. See, the worksheet name is B2B worksheet week 1 day 1, and the date from date and to date. So we have given on September 1st and you should complete by September 2nd. There is some time as associated. That time, once in the search you can find that. So click here. As soon as you click here, you can find the worksheet here. See, this is the link for the worksheet, and this is the time pending for submission. So 17 hours is still there. Next, how to upload and all I'll show you. First, let's view the worksheet. So as soon as you come over here, click here, it will open the tracker. See here, this we have given. And what you're supposed to do, you need to take the printout. Maybe ma'am would have explained this to you, what needs to be done and all. You should take the printout and complete that work. So once after you complete your work, example, suppose if you completed your work and your answer sheets, you took the photo, and you have option of two choices are there. One is either you can upload the images in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can upload all the individual images, or you have an option of converting them into the PDF directly and upload a single PDF document. So the upload process can be taken with the help of this particular screen here. See here, upload answer 1. If you are going to upload a single PDF, it should be, you should click here and select that PDF from your computer and just say upload answer. Okay, if it is the images, then you should click here and select the images in the order. Suppose this is the order. I'm going to show you, this is my first answer sheet image. Okay, and I'm going to say add more. So this is my second, member 2. Okay, so this is my second image I have selected. Now these 2 images I need to upload. So if it is a PDF, only first place, only one PDF document is allowed. Multiple PDF documents are not allowed. All the images you are going to convert into PDF, and you are going to upload directly that PDF in the upload answer 1 itself, first place itself. If they are images, then you need to upload in the order only 1, 2, 3, whatever the way you are uploading, we convert that into the PDF internally. I'll show you how. See here, member 1 and member 2. So now I am going to click upload answer. As soon as I click on upload answer, it will ask me, do you want to continue? Yes. Then it will convert into PDF and it will show you here for your confirmation. Okay, this is your member 1, and this is the first page, this is the second page. So whatever the image that I uploaded, converted into PDF, and it's 2 images are into the same PDF. But if it is a pages, the image is big enough to fit into the A4 page, then it will be 2 pages. Once you get this, you can view your answer. Whatever the images you upload here, is your answer sheet is correct or not. Even if you upload the PDF, it will show you here the preview. Once after you can see the preview, if your answer sheet is correct, then you can say confirm answer. As soon as you say it's confirm, it's done. Submission is over. So what you can do, you can come over here to your TBWoW. Okay, now you can come over here to TBWoW, and now you go here and you can select, you can go to the sub signs and you can see your submission is done. This is the answer sheet you submitted. See whether you submitted the TBWoW right or not. You can see here your question paper, you can see here, and any comments or teacher wanted to update the student, whoever really good in the class, and whatever they submitted, if they want to push, they'll push, and you can see that answer here, reference, any reference answer sheet teacher want to push, they can push here, you can see here, and comments you can see. So right now teacher is not evaluated, that's why no comments. Okay, so this is the way you need to complete. Thank you. And the same way you need to perform for exam as well. Exam also you can see online exam, and you need to push and you can find the marks here. Once after the teacher corrected the answer sheets, you can find the marks here, corrected answer sheet as well. Okay, so this is the very easy way to use the tracker. Thank you.